Measuring weight. In this video we will be looking at the standard units to measure weight, or in other words, to measure the mass of an object. We will be focusing at two particular units, namely the kilogram and the gram. How much does it weigh? This bag of rice weighs 1 kilogram. The standard unit of mass is the kilogram. 1 kilogram or 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Notice that the symbol for kilogram is kg and the symbol for grams is g. A paper clip weighs about 1 gram. A dictionary weighs about 1 kilogram. There are 1000 grams in a kilogram. If we want to talk about half of a kilogram, then that is equal to 500 grams. If we want to take 1/4 of a kilogram, then that will equal to 250 grams. If we want to talk about 3/4 of a kilogram, then that equals to 750 grams. Let's look at another example. This smaller bag of rice weighs half a kilogram. We know that half a kilogram is equal to 500 grams. In other words, two small bags of rice, 500 grams each, will equal to a larger bag of rice, which will amount to 1 kilogram. 500 grams plus 500 grams will give you 1000 grams, which is equal to 1 kilogram. Writing the total mass. Look at the weight of each item. Then we're going to add their weights. The first bag of sugar weighs 2 kilograms. In total, it weighs 2000 grams. A smaller bag of sugar weighs 500 grams. Then a medium-sized bag of sugar weighs 1500 grams. Now let's do the addition. 200 grams, which represents 2 kilograms, plus 500 grams of the small bag, plus 1500 grams of the medium-sized bag. In total, we get, if we add the numbers, 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 0 plus 5, 5, plus another 5, 10, carrier 1, 2 plus 1, 3, plus the 1 that you carried, 4. So in total, we get 4000 grams. Remember, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. So here we have 4000 grams. So the total amount of mass is 4 kilograms. Now let's look at a word problem. A woman buys 2 kilograms of rice, 3 kilograms of flour, a box of soda weighing 12 kilograms, and 10 kilograms of vegetables. What is the total mass of her purchase? We're going to be using a strategy we call the cubes strategy. Each letter tells us what we need to do to solve this problem. The first letter of the word cubes is C, which stands for circle the numbers and units. So we find all the numbers and the units and we place a circle around them. Once we have done that, the letter U stands for underline the question. So we look at the word problem and find the question. The question is, what is the total mass of her purchases? So we draw a line under that question. The letter B now tells us that we need to draw a box around the key words. Let's look at the key word. Look at the question. They're asking us, what is the total mass of her purchases? The key word in this case is total. So we draw a box around the words total mass. E stands for evaluating the steps. So here we think as to what operation we are going to use to solve the problem. We are looking for total mass, so total means you add. So we are going to be using addition to solve for the answer. S stands for solve. So we go right ahead and solve the problem. Now we put all the numbers and their units together, the ones that you circled, and we go ahead and do the addition operation. 2 plus 3 plus 2 will give you 7. 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So the total mass of her purchases is 27 kilograms.